Okay, good morning. So today our topic is trigonometric identities, further important uh, formulas. We have discussed sin A plus B and sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B formulas. Like sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A minus B also, cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Now, after solving these all formulas and after doing these all derivations, if I add 1 and 2, I'll be getting sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. These two will be getting cancelled. I get 2 sin A cos B. On adding, we'll get one formula. Left side sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Right side 2 sin A cos B. These both will be cancelled. Now, if I subtract, suppose if I subtract 1 and 2, in the left side I may get sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So here the first one will be cancelled. You will be getting 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. On adding 3 and 4, what about on adding 3 and 4? When you add 3 and 4, left side cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The second part will be cancelled. So you'll get 2 cos A cos B. This is also a very good formula. On subtracting 3 and 4, when you're subtracting 3 and 4, you'll be getting cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. When you subtract, the first one will cancel. This is minus sign, and this one also will become minus sign. So you will be getting minus 2 sin A sin B. These are the very important identities. Right side also, if you have a left side, we can write. Left side identity is used, then right side you have to write. These both are equal. Now suppose A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. I am putting in A plus B C and A minus B as D. So this adding above will give 2A, because the second one will cancel when you add, as you are doing the preference question. So second part will be cancelled, like B and B gets cancelled. 2A is equal to C plus D, or A is equal to C plus D by 2. Similarly, this is second part cancelled when you add. If you subtract, then the first part will be cancelled. You will be getting 2B is equal to C minus D. Then B is equal to C minus D by 2. Now when you got these two, I am going to just substitute in the formula. Suppose in the fifth one, here A plus B will become C, A minus B will become D. So this is sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. You can see that. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. How we got this? Just substitute in the fifth formula. In place of A plus B C, in place of A minus B D, A is C plus D by 2 and B is C minus D by 2. So the second one I already strike that. Sin C minus sin D, that is for the sixth one in your substitute, you will be getting same sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. When you substitute in the seventh, we will get cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Whatever the last one, that is the 12th formula, cos C minus cos D is minus sign is here. Here you have a minus sign. Here also we will have a minus sign. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus